Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about the 5 shortcuts that I use on a daily basis to improve my productivity while using Excel. So the first shortcut that I'm going to talk about is how you can adjust the column. So here you can see I have a set of data, and in the data you can see that the width of the column is not adjusted, so I can work on this manually. Okay, so that is one way to do it, but there is still a faster way to do this. So I'm going to undo the changes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Ctrl A, select the entire range, then I'm going to press Alt. When you press Alt, you're gonna see there is a certain different environment that is created. Don't worry, now you just press the 3 buttons simultaneously, H O I. So as you can see, after pressing Alt and pressing the shortcut H O I, the column width has been adjusted. Now there is still one other thing that is left to do. As you can see, the column number 5, the column number 6 and the column number 8 are not totally in our view range, so we need to increase the columns, the rows height. So we can do this manually. Okay, but again, when we have a large set of data, we do not have time to do things manually. So what we can do is, again, I can select the entire range, then I can press Alt again. Now I will press H O and A, H O A. Okay, so as you can see, they're okay, they're ready. Now I want to use the third shortcut, which is adding all border. So I'm going to press Ctrl A, Alt, H, then I'm going to press B, and then I'm going to press A. So this one adds all the necessary borders required to make it look more neat and clean. Okay, now the last 2 things that I'm going to talk about is adding filter and undoing the filter. So as you can see, there are ID, name, department and days present. I want to create filter for them. So what I can do is I can go sort and filter and click filter, or I can use a shortcut. What is the shortcut? You can press Ctrl Shift L. So as you can see, we have different name of the departments. So let's see, for example, I am selecting the branding and marketing department. So we have the name of Ashraf Hussain Ahmed. Now let's say, for example, I want to see all the names in the data set. What I can do is I can press Ctrl Shift L, it will remove the filter, or I just want to undo the filter. So then what I can do is I can press Alt, then I can press H, S and C, H, S, C. So this one undoes the filter without removing it. So these are the 5 shortcuts that I use on daily basis to improve my productivity in Excel. I hope this helps you and you can use them in your daily activities as well.